Hello, lounge lovers. Welcome to Tamika's Beauty Lounge. Hello, gorgeous. Welcome to my everyday makeup routine. We're going to get this done under 10 minutes. First, we got to put on the serum. I got this from Amazon. So, this is my makeup bag here. It is so packed with a whole bunch of makeup. And I don't even use all of that makeup, actually. So first, let's go ahead with the primers. The reason why I'm using two primers is because my daughter is in the bathroom, so I can't use the moisturizer. So I'm using the cream primer, which I'm putting on now, and I'm just going to act that as, the moisturizer. And then I'm going to put on the Grip primer. And I got this one also from Amazon. So a lot of these products that I'm using, honey, you can get it off of Amazon. I'm going to try to link my Amazon storefront in the description box, but just keep in mind that the Amazon storefront is for my main channel. She is Tamika. All right, so now we're going to go ahead with the Maybelline. So I only use concealer as like my baseline. I don't go in with a foundation. So there's a big story behind this, but I'm gonna get into that with another video. But I'm just going under my eyes. As you saw, I am using the color 55, and then I'm going to go in with the color 45. So all I do right here is just hit my little dark marks. As I was editing this video, honey, I noticed that I was using way too much concealer. I don't use this much concealer on an everyday basis, but once I apply it on like my chin area and under my eyes, I use my little paintbrush here, and then I just go in and just dab it over my face. So I go in under my eyes, I go in where my chin area is, and then whatever that's left, I'll go ahead and apply it in the other areas, just to make sure that everything is even tone. And like I said, I don't use this much. So just keep it light and simple. I am that type of girl. As I'm blending it out, I'm going to just share with you. I'm the type of girl, like, less is more with me. When I try to use a whole lot of makeup products, it just looks too heavy and too much on my face. Now, that's number one. And two, the reason why I don't like to use a lot of makeup is because I really don't know what I'm doing. I am like a 90s girl, and growing up in the 90s, in middle school, high school, I would wear lipstick and that's it. And then, no, I would wear lipstick in middle school, but then in high school, I started wearing pressed powder, and my favorite pressed powder of all times was Clinique. All right, so now we're going to go ahead with the sponge here. I like to use my little beauty blender and just apply it. I'm just dabbing everything and making sure everything is seamlessly, because with brushes, you will see line marks, and that you do not want. Okay, so because I used a lot of product, you're going to see in a few seconds that I'm going to spray my sponge with water just to get it a little bit more moisturized, because I noticed like it was starting to look or feel kind of dryish a little bit. But you can dab it, wet it up a little bit, and I'm struggling right here for a second, and it just looks more hydrating, I should say, when you add water. So now I'm going in with the concealer 45. I'm just going to apply a little bit right there in the corners, and then I'm going to apply it on my forehead and just bring a line all the way down my nose there. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and just blend everything out. Again, I just keep it simple. This is my realistic, simple makeup routine. And I get it done really within 10 minutes. If I didn't edit the video, it would be around 11 minutes. But of course, editing, I took it down to 7. All right, so going with the beauty blender, just blend everything out. And then whatever that's left over, I put on the top of my lip and then on my chin. Okay. All right, so now I'm going in with number 57, and I'm just going to bronze the top of my forehead, and then I'm just going to bronze on the side of my cheeks. I just started bronzing And I kind of like it. Before, I was bronzing my whole entire face, which is why I looked a little bit darker. But again, that's a different story. So now I'm going to go in with this blush. I don't know where my daughter got this blush from, but it's good to have a 21-year-old. Well, she's about to be 21, where I can just, go into her little makeup bag and grab whatever I want. So she let me have it. So I kind of like it. I do like red blushes, not red, but kind of like a burgundy. I have a burgundy looking blush, but when I put it on, it just looked too much. So I honestly just like the pink blushes. So as you can see, I look a little toasty right there, and I used to apply that all over my face. I was looking a little bronzy, didn't even realize it. All right, so here I forgot to blend out the top part of my forehead. So I'm just going along the sides. I'm going in with my 355 Coconut. This is by Maybelline. And we're going to go into the little areas where I applied the concealer. And then we're going to go in with the whole entire face. So we're going to blend everything out because you don't want those harsh lines. And I don't want my face too shiny. I forgot to mention that I do have oily skin. So now we're going to go in with the Essence. I love this mascara here. I got this one, again, from off of Amazon. Be careful. I know I like to blink my eyes a lot, but child, you'll see in a second where I'm about to put the lashes all in my eyeballs. Child, I'm glad I didn't have my contacts on. Okay, so I'm going to clean that up a little bit. So what you want to do is get your little sponge here and just wipe a little bit and then apply more powder. So next I'm going in with my NYX, I think that was Butter Gloss or something like that. I love nude lip glosses because it's so simple and easy, but we are basically done with everything. So I got my hair curled in nice and tight, and we are good for the day. So I hope you enjoyed my simple makeup routine in 10 minutes. Thank you. Goodbye, gorgeous.